Snowman's Secret, a winter adventure for a warming world. In a village touched by winter's chill, Aiden, Amelia, and Liam were the eco-frost detectives known for unraveling wintertime mysteries. One snowy day, while standing by the window of the home, they noticed something strange, a snowman that moved on its own. This unusual snowman wasn't just playful, it seemed a bit too real. Intrigued, the friends investigated. They inquired with Phoenix the bird, hoping for clues. The snowman's antics continued. Baffling them, they rush out to the snowman to find out. Oh no! They laugh out loud as they discover it was Sammy, the squirrel hiding inside, controlling the snowman. Sammy aimed to show them how quickly things were changing due to warming winters. Instead of tricks, Sammy wanted to spread awareness through fun. The trio, along with Sammy, celebrated by making a snow sculpture to symbolize saving the planet. They shared the importance of taking care of our winters and the planet. The moral of the story is that winter's magic shines brightest when we work together to protect our changing world. It shows that even the snowiest mysteries can hold valuable lessons about caring for our planet. The story teaches kids about teamwork, fun solutions, and how small actions, even in winter, can make a big difference in combating climate change. It encourages friendship, laughter, and finding joy in protecting our winters. The tale reminds us that even playful moments can spark lasting awareness. Our actions, big or small, can protect our winters and our planet, ensuring a brighter future for all.